Good morning everyone, pamilya, kaibigan, at sa mga hindi namin kilala watching this video. So it's a Tuesday today. We decided to go out for breakfast at Denny's because the other day my wife just told me that miss na niya yung Denny's na breakfast. So nandito na kami ngayon. It's Tuesday. So breakfast at Denny's. Been a long time.
Long time, like years, long time.
Like years na.
Like
So
5 years.
5 years because we used to cook at home kasi nakaka-save kami and then yung budget hindi nasisira. So usually my wife healthier food, we know what we put and all the ingredients sa pagkain namin. So we usually cook at home. Nakaka-save at saka hindi nakakasira ng budget. So usually my wife cook at home and on my day off I'll try to cook for her. So let's go, samahan niyo kami sa Denny's mag-breakfast. Have a good day. It's a Tuesdate today. And then we do some
December 10.
Yeah, December 10, 2024. We do some groceries today. And so we're at Denny's now.
With you, Denny.
We're trying to choose what breakfast we can get from the menu. So we're checking it out. We used to do order pancake, egg, and bacon.
But I can make pancakes.
Yeah.
Are you Chinese?
Filipino.
We're Filipino.
Salamat.
Oh. So, be right back. So, ito pala yung mga breakfast nila. I'm gonna choose. I don't know what to get, but I'll try to show to you yung breakfast nila. They have the French toast slam, very stuffed French toast slam, T-bone steak. That's too early for me. Country fried
Your drink, Lala.
steak and eggs. I just want coffee, Lala. Coffee, hot coffee. You know, we love coffee. So, yummy food. Yung mga pancake nila. Variety of pancakes. Ang sarap. Masarap lahat.
You know what to eat.
Nalilito kapag ano yung ino-order mo. I know what to eat, Lala.
What do you want to eat?
I'll have this savory omelette. It has hash brown and then white toast, sausage, bacon, fire roasted bell peppers and onion, sauteed mushroom, fresh tomatoes and cheddar and cheese. Oh, I like that one. This is a good breakfast. I'll take this one. What do you have, Lolo?
Santa Fe sizzling.
Santa Fe sizzling? Where is it?
No picture.
My Lala wants
I'm not
Santa
sure
Fe
yet.
sizzling skillet.
Skillet.
Okay, that's.
I'm not sure yet.
That sounds good. Coffee is life. Yeah. Cheers.
Coffee
Cheers.
pa more.
Coffee pa more. Sarap ng kape.
So
Ito na yung orders namin. I have the savory ultimate breakfast.
Guys, and I'll bring you some more coffee right now.
Thank you so much. So, let's say omelette, hash brown, and it comes with a pancake. And what is this, Lala?
hush puppies, I think.
Hash puppies. We're gonna get high, puppies. Joke only.
And then
And
Santa
then
Fe
Santa-
sizzling skillet.
Santa Fe sizzling skillet.
Okay, that's it.
Good for breakfast. Okay.
This is brunch.
A brunch now? Okay. Now we're gonna eat now. Good food, good breakfast. It's yummy. I can taste the mushroom, red bell pepper, onions. Good. So, mo na po niya mong date, like giving time for each other. We call it Tuesday.
Tuesday. Wednesday man to.
Tuesday. If it's Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That's how we call our day. So, kung ka yung busy ka sa work, you need to give time for each other, or else you're gonna be burned out. Like you get burned.
Then you won't
Sometimes.
know each other anymore.
My wife work from home, like 3 years now, work from home. And then it's gonna be hard for her, like 3 years staying at home working. So I have to take her out
Thank you, Lalab.
once in a while. So to make her happy, you should make her happy, happy wife,
Really?
happy life. So
For that, you
I'm
can get
trying to
this
do
one.
that. Sarap yan. Okay? Your wife loves you more if she's happy. For you. Sarap. Yun ang masarap pag may asawa ka. Somebody will love you, take care of you, and then may kasama ka sa buhay. Sorry sa mga singles out there, but I am only speaking in our experience. It's good and happy life when you have a partner. Like when in times of you get problems or stressed out, someone's there to shed light and then give you support.
At the same time, you have someone who will annoy you.
Okay lang yan.
But that's fine.
Yung mga lamas sa buhay, away.
We do really fight them.
Yeah, I know. But that's things, those like you get misunderstanding. Those are the things that make you anong tawag doon? Matatag. Like, matatag. Anong English sa matatag?
Strong.
Make you stronger. Yeah. You just have to rely on your wife or your partners. So this is for you guys. Thank you for watching my video. Please click the button,
Gosh, it has turned.
subscribe and follow, and keep on watching. Thank you. After sa breakfast na mo,
Thank
so
you.
punta tayo sa marina ngayon. Bibili kami ng pansit, bihon, at saka mga Filipino foods. So nandito na tayo ngayon sa Filipino aisle. Ayan, Filipino products. So dito kami bumibili ng mga Filipino food.
We get this.
Yeah,
That's what you were saying.
it's marina. They call it marina. Halos lahat nandito na. Into the aisle. Wala nang ketchup kasi ban na yung ketchup dito sa amin. Paubos na yung ketchup. Yung pinunta namin is ito. tuna spread. It's like $9.99, $10. Meron din Star Mart doon. Ayun yung mga recados dito. Mamasitas. So ito yung pumunta namin dito. Wala nang pansit. Oh, you got it?
Do you have budget? Can I buy this?
Yeah. So, did you get it already? Ito yung pinunta namin. Bihon. Ito yung meron nila dito. Sa kabila, yung mga chichirya. Parang nasa Pilipinas ka na. Halos lahat nandito. Sushi, okay. Yan. Sibuy mo ako nandito na. Wow, garlic money. Confused. Almost ubus na. Ito yung bawang $4.99. Okay. Dito na lang. Okay, oil. Yeah. Ito pang bulalo. May nakita akong video na isang vlogger sa Canada, and then gusto nilang magbulalo. They're young couple, but yung bulalo nila is i-slice pa buo. Sa amin ito na, like slice na siya, dalawa. Sa kanila doon, ipa-slice pa nila. So I was thinking na magbulalo rin kami. Kuha tayo ng isa. Pipiliin natin yung ito. Ito maganda. Bulalo kami. Masarap sa malamig. So, hanap pa tayo ng vegetable nito na isasangkap sa kanya. Yan, bulalo. Masarap to sa malamig na panahon. Ito yung mga nabili namin. Yung broccoli, bok choy, ampalaya, patatas, lumpia wrapper, togi, so carrots, talong, beans, saba na banana, bihon, sandwich spread, the tuna, and then bawang na garlic chips. This is canton, that's vermicelli, and then sardines, canola oil, and this one is for the fruit cocktail, kaong, and the fruit mix, gulaman, and golden curry, Japanese one. So I still have the bulalo cut meat. It's in the freezer. I put it already. Mauna mong na grocery. Ito yung mga grocery namin today, and we paid like 136 and 88 cents. And meron pa kami mga meat sa freezer, kaya ang yung binili namin is yung bulalo lang. Okay. Okay, hello. We're done for the day. We have our breakfast at Denny's. Tuesdate.
Tuesdate at Dennis.
Tuesdate at Dennis, and then we have a good breakfast, and then conversation, like, you know, kumustahan.
And there's an old couple who asks if we're newlyweds. Oh!
Yeah, wow, surprise. Yeah, they're a really good couple, and then
53 years married
yeah,
sila.
53 years married, and then they're retired already, and they're done with their hard work and now enjoying their
They play ping pong.
fruit of their hard work, and they played ping pong, mahjong, enjoying their retirement. But for us, still a long way to go. We need to work and do everyday life and everything, but we're enjoying life. Thank you, Lord, for all the blessings that you give us every day and being there for us. And thank you, Lord. Continue to bless us and keep us stronger and happy. And the year in is coming, December. Thank you for the whole year and another year. Wow.
We need to go. I need to work.
Yeah, tough life, but we did it. We're good. Thank you, Lord. And then we did grocery for a month. We paid like 136 and 88 cents for our grocery today. I hope it will last for a month. Thank you
Maybe 2 weeks.
for watching this video. Please click like, follow, and subscribe, and continue watching our video. I hope you have a good day, because we're having a good day.
I need to go back to work.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe and follow. Much love from Little Yas to each of you. Content creator,